What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to festival in Suwa here in Chino, but now we're going to the train station, Chino train station, to Suwa train station. We need to hurry because there's a lot of people later in the train and we don't know how many minutes will it take. So yeah, mommy. This is my first time going to a festival here in Japan and I really have no idea what's going on. I just saw it before in a comic book, so also an anime movie, and I'm so excited.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky, little lights light up.
The Chino station, train station, and we're still waiting for my dad because he just dropped us here. My mom hates to walk, that's why. So we arrived in here at the hotel, outside the hotel, and that's where we're gonna sit later for the fireworks test. So sad. I hope it won't rain later. The best! I've never seen like that before. I'm getting off my earphone. I'm so scared of fireworks, that's why. That ends my vlog for today. Thank you for watching, I really appreciate it. See you on my next vlog.